Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Bainguinim follow-up, I am in touch with the retender. I think will take place.
Okay.
So it will be done. Work is in progress because even the NGT also has thrown the other this thing out. As far as they have put some appeal or something against us. So that has been thrown out. So there is a clear this thing. There is no problem whatsoever of having a plant in Bainguinim.
So how much important आता कितने big है the process that है development?
So now it is all with our minister. Michael is following it up, and I have got full faith that he will pursue the matter, and it will come at the earliest. From a smart city, what is the we have supposed to take up roads to the smart city of Panaji, because roads are totally in bad shape in Panaji. Then PWD came up with some this thing that they only will take up the roads. So that is the reason I brought up the issue with CM, saying that let's smart city take up the roads.
Okay.
Because as far as the funding is concerned, the PWD is in short of funds, so they will not be in a position to do.
So all these city roads or Panjim roads?
Panjim city roads. Yes, that is important.
So
because smart city, let us take the benefit out of it. So what today government will have to spend only 50%, because 50% is central government funds as far as smart city.
So you have put up a proposal in front of CM? What?
No, I just told CM that we had put up a proposal as far as smart city should take up these roles.
रस्त्यांच्या कामाक फेब्रुवारीत वर्क ऑर्डर दिल्ली. PWD अजून ताप पडटलो म्हूण रावला.
स्टेट हायवे खातीर स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटान ऑफर जवळ फेब्रुवारीक दिल्ली आसा फेब्रुवारी, आनी ही कामां आतां चालू जातली. बेगीतल्या बेगीत आमी आतां ताप पडपा जाय न्ही मातसो. आतां तशें जावचें ना. आतां तेजेर फूल क्रावड घालून तेजेर एक मुवमेंट जातले, तेजेर एक ऑटमीस घालतले, तेजी म्हाजी हिसपान 10 वर्सां गॅरंटी आसतली.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.